So one of the best features of the iPad for assessment and learning is Markup, and the ability to mark up pictures, documents, pages, documents, just mark as you go. What's great for me is I do use schoolwork, so I can mark up a project from a student and then they can see the markup document almost instantly, so they can see any changes that they need to make. But if we go in, I'm just going to show you a few different locations where you can see it. So if I go into a picture, for example, this picture, I can click edit and then 3 dots and mark up, and then I'll have the option to draw all over it, mark, do whatever you want. So photos is one place that you can use it. You can also use it in iBooks. So if we go into the document that I had yesterday, I actually had the Socrative quiz document, and I can mark it up right away. So maybe this was actually the wrong answer, or like I said, I actually prefer to grade them myself just so I can read through them. I can actually go along and grade. That is way too thick, but I can change my pencil and I can grade and put whatever I want in there and mark that up. So that's another location. One of the main ways that I do use markup is in pages. So I use a lot of pages journals this year for students, so this is one of them, and I've just spent a few days going through these and marking them up. So this is obviously a blank version, because I couldn't show you student work, but a student puts in their answer and then I can basically tap with my pencil, or I can, if you don't have a pencil, insert a drawing and do the same thing. And you can go through and you can grade it. So in this case, let's say that the student didn't actually answer this, I would be able to go 0 out of 5 because they got no marks. And let's just pretend that they did answer this one and give them whatever marks. So it's really, really quick and easy. You can skim through it, you can give marks if you made a mistake. So I actually had a couple of items. I had about 7 journals corrected already, and then I realized due to school closures and stuff that I had to reallocate some of the marks, and they were just 2%, but I had to reallocate them somewhere. So instead of giving someone a 0 out of 5, they might have made some effort on that, and I actually was able to erase and up their grade to 1 out of 5. That wonderful invisible answer that we have there. So it is a great option. Also, if students do prefer to draw, they can actually use the drawing option in there as well. So markup is really, really useful when you're grading. I have used it for about 3 years and I would actually not grade without it. Now